ONDC and its potential, Open Network for Digital Commerce. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in the future of e-commerce in India, then you'll definitely want to know about the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC. Recently announced by the Indian government, ONDC is a framework for digital commerce that aims to make e-commerce more transparent and secure. With the e-commerce market in India expected to reach $200 billion by 2027, there's no denying that the potential for growth is huge. However, the industry has faced a number of challenges when it comes to issues related to transparency, data privacy, and security. ONDC aims to address these challenges by providing a secure and transparent platform for the exchange of goods and services. It will allow buyers and sellers to connect directly, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as e-commerce platforms. This will not only reduce transaction costs but also increase transparency and efficiency in the e-commerce market. One of the biggest advantages of ONDC is that it will enable small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, to participate in the e-commerce market. Currently, SMEs face a number of challenges when it comes to selling their products online, including high transaction fees and lack of access to a wider customer base. ONDC is expected to provide a level playing field for all players in the market, regardless of their size or resources. ONDC is also expected to bring about a major shift in the way e-commerce data is managed in India. Currently, e-commerce platforms collect vast amounts of data on their users, which they use to improve their services and target ads. However, this data is often not shared with the users themselves, which raises concerns around data privacy and security. ONDC will enable users to have greater control over their data and ensure that it is used in a transparent and secure manner. Finally, ONDC has the potential to promote the growth of the Indian digital economy. By providing a secure and efficient platform for e-commerce, it will encourage more people to participate in digital transactions and drive the growth of the digital economy in India. In conclusion, ONDC is a promising initiative by the Indian government that has the potential to transform the e-commerce market in India. With its potential to promote greater efficiency, transparency, and inclusion in the market, ONDC is an initiative that deserves close attention from all stakeholders in the e-commerce market. So, keep an eye out for the implementation of ONDC and see how it transforms the e-commerce landscape in India. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.